Hi, Cameron from GoldFynch here. Today we'll be going over how to create a native production of an entire GoldFynch case. To begin, we'll click on this printer icon found on the left-hand side of the screen labeled Productions. This will open our Production Wizard tab. To begin, let's click Start Production Wizard. Step 1 of the Production Wizard is naming our production, so we'll name this Native Production of Entire Case and click OK. Next, we'll have to select which documents we would like to include in this production. By default, all items are included, so we won't select any tags or saved searches here. Instead, we'll just click OK. In step 3, we're going to want to select natives only and click OK. Step 4, we can just click OK. Step 5 is just going to ask about the sorting order of your files. By default, they're alphabetically by folder and file name, and family items are kept together. This sorting order is fine with us, so we'll go ahead and click OK at the bottom. Next, it's going to ask about any sort of stamping on the documents. Because this is a native-only production, we won't be able to do any stamping, so we'll actually just scroll down and click OK. Step 7, another step that we can't do because we're producing natively, so we'll click OK. Step 8, we'll add our Bates numbering. Since this is native, we're not going to worry about this. We're actually not going to use the Bates numbering for our file naming, so we'll just click OK, and it'll default to just having numbers 1 through however many files there are. In step 9, we're going to select original file names instead of Bates numbering for the file naming and click OK. And finally, we're at step 10. This is our final review page and also gives you a couple of warnings about the production. In our case, we do want to produce everything, so we're actually going to ignore these warnings and just click the Produce button found at the top. Once you're through the production wizard, the production can be viewed under Requested Productions at the top here, and we can track the progress of this native production of entire case here. Once this shows 100%, the production is complete and it can be downloaded. All right, so once this production shows 100% completion, the production can be downloaded. To do so, we'll navigate to the menu found on the right-hand side and select Download Production. I hope this video has been helpful for you, so thank you for watching and thank you for using GoldFynch.